This is a land grab of affiliates and attention right now. So every day that you postpone TikTok Shop is one more affiliate that you're losing. And I believe in the next 5 to 10 years, whoever has the biggest affiliate army, those are the brands that are winning on Amazon. Y'all don't need to be scared of TikTok Shop. Everybody has a different playbook and what's working for them right now. It is still the early days, but this is a land grab, guys. This is a land grab with affiliates and awareness. There will come a day, it may be as early as next year or the year after that, where affiliates, you will have to pay affiliates to sample your product. It's going to turn into what was happening before TikTok Shop, where you want to work with an influencer. Oh, you want a shout out? Okay, give me $100. And depending on my audience size and my success rate, we're already starting to see that with the top people on TikTok Shop. Oh, cool. You want me to rep your product? Yeah, commission doesn't interest me. You can pay me 10 grand though, then I'll talk about your product. So like, this is a land grab of affiliates and attention right now. So every day that you postpone TikTok Shop is one more affiliate that you're losing. And I believe in the next 5 to 10 years, whoever has the biggest affiliate army, those are the brands that are winning on Amazon. 100%.
That's a great segment into what I was going to go next. And I'm going to jump back over to Sohan in a minute, but I want to ask you said the key is getting them to engage more. And then you said affiliate army. And I'd spoken to Sohan about part of this program we want to create for seller systems around TikTok is going to include how to set up a Discord, how to engage with this audience on a regular basis. So what has worked for you? What hasn't worked for you with regards to getting that engagement up? I mean, because you got to be genuine. You've got to incentivize them. They've got to have a reward on their end for it. So what's the strategy? How did you refine it? What wasn't working? What is working?
Yeah, so I think if you go back to the talk that I did there at Camp Ecom, our strategy has been fairly simple. We would have people, we would reach out, say, hey, do you want a sample? If they were interested in a sample, we would have them fill out a Google form, which gives us all of their information, shipping address, email, phone number, and then they also will give us usage rights to all of their videos. That's separate tangent. But that was option number one. What we are gravitating towards right now is, because like we were losing some affiliates in that process, but I also believe there's something in the TikTok algorithm that like, if you give out the sample through their like platform, it's like request a sample, fulfill the sample, something within that, we've started to see a higher hit rate when we just click approve that way. So what we're doing now is anybody that, as soon as they complete their video, we're sending them a message and we're saying, hey, we would love to send you more. Congrats. Loved your video. We'd love to send you more. Then we're sending them the Google form. Okay. So now once I get them to fill out the Google form, I get their contact info. Basically what we've done is we drop everybody into an email list. This is our newsletter. We're not doing Discord or any of that. It's just been an email list. And I've actually been astonished the number of creators that they're like, oh yeah, I follow your emails. I read them every time. I make sure I'm always. So
what value? So the biggest thing with newsletters is you add value besides just constantly asking, right? It's jab, jab, hook. So what are your open rates and what kind of content are you putting in your newsletter?
45% open rates. And the content is, hey, this creator went viral last week with this video. Here's the script. Here's the hook. Hey, next week we're going to be running a sale on this product. Just want to give you an FYI, probably a really good time for you guys to maybe go viral if you create content for this product, right? Because there will be an added promotion on top of it. And then we're always running a contest. So we'll announce like the leaderboard in the email threads and we'll share, hey, these were our winners from last month. Here's the new contest. Here's the leaderboard. Here's where we're at for this month's contest. And every month we continue to change what that contest is to see what people gravitate to the most. And my answer to that, as of right now, the thing that, again, continues to outperform everything is just paying people based on the amount of videos that they post for you. We are seeing more success there than anything else. It's like, can you create 30 videos for me this month? I'll give you $100. The number of people willing to do that much work, and I'm paying basically $3 a video at this point for those.
That's way less than I thought you were going to say.
That's it. Like, that's what I'm saying is like, you're in the early days of TikTok Shop. right? It will only get more difficult, right? So these are very low hurdles for me to clear, and these contests aren't overly expensive, but it's doing something like that. And then the last thing I would say is like, but it also comes down to your product, okay? Our products are uniquely designed. They're easy to talk about, and people don't get violations talking about our products. Whereas if you have a supplement, people are getting shut down left and right. And typically they have whole support departments. Like at Catacor, they have one dedicated person that is there working with their affiliates, triaging them through the TikTok appeals violation process. And so for us, it's easier to just say, hey, this is an easy product for you to rep. It's an easy product for you to pitch. And so we double down on that. We're not goalie, not giving away Cybertrucks right now. But it's not needed. That's also what I say is like.
But at the end of the day, if someone makes you $100 grand net, I'm happy to buy them a $50,000 Cybertruck, right?
100%.
And what's amazing about that contest thing is like, how many people are going to do an extra 10, 20, 40 videos because they want to see how close to that Cybertruck they can get?
100%.
So, I'm a big fan of contests.